Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download models on Civitai. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in civitai.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Civitai website where you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't logged into your account already using your credentials. Now, after you have proceeded and logged into your account, you will end up within this homepage. Now, from your homepage, you will be shown various different images, models, and various things. You can look for the featured models section, and you can also click on explore all models to look for various different models based on categories that you can browse and look for. Once you find a model that you want to download, you can simply click on the model that you are interested in, and you will simply find the download button. Go ahead and click on this download button, and now this will immediately begin the download for the model that you just selected. After your model is downloaded, you can use it in any way that you wish, and you can do this with any number of models that are available within the Civitai application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download models on Civitai. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.